Top 5 apps like Backpackla reviews that actually work today. Backpackla is popular for trendy and functional backpacks, but most people get this wrong by limiting themselves to one store. The surprising truth is there are several apps offering quality backpacks with verified reviews and fast delivery. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Herschel Supply Co. offers stylish backpacks with detailed descriptions and verified customer feedback. Users highlight durability and modern design. Second, Fallervan. Known for iconic Kunkan backpacks and outdoor gear, app users appreciate sturdy materials and timeless style. Third, Ree. Focuses on functional backpacks for travel, hiking, and daily use. Customers report excellent support and detailed product specs. Fourth, Amazon. Offers a variety of backpacks from multiple brands with verified reviews. Many users love convenience, variety, and fast shipping. Finally, Egags. Specializes in travel and everyday backpacks with thorough product information. Users highlight reliable service and wide selection. Pro tip: read reviews, check size and capacity, and compare features before buying a backpack to suit your needs. These 5 apps help you find durable, stylish, and functional backpacks with a trustworthy shopping experience.